Hello and welcome to ATG LED's tutorial video on our new microsite, Distributor Central. This is a project that's been in the works for several months now, and we're launching it, and we really want to get the word out about all the great things that you can do in the portal to be more productive. You see there's a hyperlink here on our homepage at atgledlighting.com. You can click on that to gain entrance, or you can click on one of the sliders. We have a number of sliders here. And then also, I did want to draw attention before we go too far to the brand new Distributor Locator. The Distributor Locator is an important reason to be one of our authorized distributors because as you'll see, you can allow would-be customers, contractors, clients, find out where you are, who's closest to them. We're doing a lot of advertising, and our website traffic is really increasing. And so we want to make it super easy for customers, the clients, like contractors, to find you and to be able to get ATG products. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out. If we go back to the home page, once again, you see we have a number of different sliders here, but we also have the hyperlink. Let's take a look. So if you go into Distributor Central, landing page, you'll see that essentially there's two things going on here. One is you have an area for existing users to sign in, and then you have an area for new users to register and become a distributor and to become an authorized customer. So basically, it's super easy. We're going to ask you for a minimum amount of information, like your location, email, phone number, and then you submit, and that will go directly to us. Now, you may need to have a qualifying order, but don't worry, we're going to make it painless, and it's very easy to do. It can be job, it can be a job order, it can be a stock order, anything at all to basically make a qualifying order. And then once again, you'll get listed on the website. On that first qualifying order, you get an additional 10% discount. We're going to throw in free freight on all orders for the first 30 days. And then an extra 30 days dating on the qualifying order, plus all the sales collateral, whether it be banners, parcel covers, printed catalogs, etc. Another major reason to be part of this program is for you to be able to gain access to the company's web portal. Here you'll be able to get real-time inventory, order status, throw numbers if it's shipped, and much more. I'll demonstrate that for you. And then you can take advantage of the Distributor Toolkit, which includes access to the My Project application, request site layouts, the Rebate Finders there, all kinds of helpful downloads. And all you have to do is register and sign in, and we'll get you a user ID and password, and you can be part of the program. So let's say that we've already done that, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Hopefully I did that right. The next time around, you can click here, remember me, and you won't have to worry about it, whether or not you entered it properly. Okay, so we're in now, and you can see what's here. There's a lot of things happening. Here's the Rebate Finder, so if you need help with getting a rebate, we've got a really cool tool for that. The buyer's guide can be downloaded or referenced. We have all the helpful forms that you will need to do business with us or with the company. And then also you'll find access right here to the My Project application. It's a hybrid shopping experience. But before we go too far, let's talk about the Kickoff Promo. This is something you're going to sign up for right away. So you'll see here, you get a 3% bonus. Yeah, you get a Visa gift card. It's going to pay out in December in time for the holidays, and it's super easy to sign up. In fact, I'll demonstrate here. We have a form. All you do is download this. Well, first you fill it out. You got an interactive form down here. Fill it out, download it as a PDF. It explains how the program works. All you do is keep your POs for October and November, and then send it to your local agent. If you don't know who that might be for whatever reason, you can click on our Rep Locator, and you can find all the agents that, for your state or your area. So essentially, you're going back, and then we'll go ahead and make sure that you're signed up for that. The other thing you'll notice here right away is that we have a product of the month. This month it is the flat panel. We call it the Duo because it is wattage and color selectable. And so that's the product of the month. It's a baker's dozen. You buy 12, you get a free one. It's a great deal. And also on this homepage, you'll see that you can directly access various product categories that we are in, whether it's outdoor, indoor, controls, poles. I did mention buyer's guide. We have a quick reference guide, which is a conversion table for HID to LED, IES foot candle recommendation, wind speed maps. I mentioned a helpful form, but I'll just show you real quick. If you want to do business with us, there's a lot of forms here that make it easy on you, whether it's a sample for, let's say, a high bay beta test. You can do that with our ATG in the air program. You can request an RMA for whatever reason. That's basically its own online portal, makes it real easy. Layout request, other sample request, credit card authorization, customer contact, and our warranty statement. So these are just some of the things that are available in the helpful forms section. Okay, so at this point, you know about the Kickoff Promo, you know about the product of the month, you know how to access the products. Let's take a look at the navigation bar. So once again here, you have quick access to the various product categories that we're involved with. For example, indoor, let's say you have a school job or an indoor project. You can go right here and tap immediately into the My Project application, where you have a cart, and essentially you create your fixture types. So for example, let's say we have a little school job. We're going to go ahead and the troffers are the A item. Let's say that's type A. We have to choose the wattage. And let's say that there's 50 of these on this school job. Then we say, okay, what's the next thing? Hey, well, there's some stairwell fixtures. That's type B. And there's 20 stairwell fixtures. And once again, we can add those to the cart. Oh, we got to choose the wattage and add that to the cart. Okay. And finally, let's say there's some downlights, some 8-inch downlights. We'll choose the wattage. That's type C. And let's say there's 20 of those. And we add those to the cart. Okay, so now we've built our project, and you can continue going, right? I mean, there's the linear products. We have high bays, low bays. You can see our entire scope of line here is great. And so you could just keep going. But let's go ahead and take a look at the cart and how it looks so far. So far, essentially, you've got the various fixture types, as we called them out, type A, type B, type C, and then you could go back to shopping, add more products, or you process the request. If you process the request, you'll see that you come to this form. It already has your information generally, so you can add any special notes about this little school job and what you would like from us. Do you want to get a quote via email? Would you like an agent to call? Would you like to get a layout? And so once again, here is the job as it was laid out as a bill of materials. You process the request. There's no financial transaction at all. And then that'll come to us, and you'll be hearing from one of our agents very quickly. So let's go back to the Distributor Central home site, and then what I'd like to do is take you on the portal. So this is another major reason that you'd want to be a member of the program. Here we have our business manager, and here you can check stock and you can check on your orders also. So let's say that we want to check stock on the product of the month. What do you know? Let's check on panels. So let's search for that. We put in just a piece of the product number, and it's going to come up. You'll be seeing where all the panels are. In this case, let's say we need, let's see, 2x4s. Wow, a lot of inventory. 4,700 in stock. And these are all wattage and color selectable. You can click on detail to find out where that inventory is. So here we've got in the Montclair headquarter warehouse, we've got over 4,300 in stock. We also have a stock in North Carolina, some stock in Kansas, and also in Utah. So this kind of gives you all the information that you'll need to understand where is the inventory that you're looking for, and this is real time, okay? Now, you can also check on orders. So you can put in SO number, sales order number, PO number, or you can just begin searching, through here. So let's take a random order, this one here. Let's click on that, and we'll find out what the story is on this particular order. Let's pull it up right now. And here we go. So this order has got an order number, the order date, etc., and the shipment dates, what it was, in this case, 90 wrap fixtures. It went by way of FedEx. Here's the FedEx Pro number and a description. It's fully closed out, so there's no open quantities. And so this is just an example of the information you can get on your orders to make your life easier. So inventory and order status. So here's the toolkit. The toolkit allows you to start a project like we talked about. Also allows you to request a layout, rebate assistance. This is a really cool tool that we have that I'll just show you briefly. It's a chat-related application where it starts by asking you basic questions. You answer the basic questions. You tell what type of job we're looking for, and basically what's your location, and it's going to tell you about all the various rebates. So this is a very important tool for the Rebate Finder. Also, we talked before about the Rep Locator. If you ever need to contact your agent, that's there. Now, we are doing a lot of blogging and press releases that are driving you all the information that you'll need to understand where is the inventory that you're looking for, and this is real time, okay? Now, you can also check on orders. So you can put in SO number, sales order number, PO number, or you can just begin searching, through here. So let's take a random order, this one here. Let's click on that, and we'll find out what the story is on this particular order. Let's pull it up right now. And here we go. So this order has got an order number, the order date, etc., and the shipment dates, what it was, in this case, 90 wrap fixtures. It went by way of FedEx. Here's the FedEx Pro number and a description. It's fully closed out, so there's no open quantities. And so this is just an example of the information you can get on your orders to make your life easier. So inventory and order status. So here's the toolkit. The toolkit allows you to start a project.